moon's been super bright last few days. Keep my voice down because I'm like out on the balcony. It's like 2 in the morning. Oh, there goes a meteor. Oh no, it's a bird. Something going right in front of the moon. It was big and white, man. It wasn't a seagull, it looked like a herring. And at first when I saw it, it looked like a flash of light. It was going so fast. I'm not far from the beach I used to sit at. If you didn't have to take the roads and fly there, it's like literally right there, and you guys have seen the waterfront. Where those buildings are. That's where I used to sit. And at nighttime I'd see these white birds, man, flying by in the night really quick. They weren't seagulls, they were like some other kind of white bird. But they had to have been seagulls. And I'm just kind of babbling.